Okay, let's start the next wave. What? Wait, what? What the? Land boat! And submarine boat. This is an odd boat. I have a boat. Let's spawn some more boats. Okay, hi everybody. I was gonna make this video a short, but anyways, I was just playing Attack on Toys, and I found out something silly. As you all, land boat! Yep, boats and lands. I bet you didn't know boats could go on land, did you? There's a wall there. How'd I hit somebody? Quickly, through the canal! Oh, that's blocked. Quickly, back out of it, submarine land boat. I've even seen the AI use their boat as land. So, this is funny. Okay, try to pull out. Oh, there's a rock there. Why is the rock floating, but other things aren't? Okay, this is gonna be tough. Ready for the next wave? Come on, you got this. You know what to do. Cruising slowly. Now gas it! Almost got the approach right. I just got the approach wrong. Anyways, boat, go.
Yes, sir.
I've got a plane to get. Are you seeing this? The boats are acting like they're cars. That's odd. Anyways, I've got a plane to fly, so. The plane can't, wait, can the plane drive in water? We all want to know. Whoa, it floats. Plane boat. Yep. This. Pretty good. Remember, this is a plane. I still find the boats hilarious. Anyway, this is meant to be like the backyard map, but it's flooded. It is an invasion. Which, we all know how good I am at those maps. Okay, let's see if we can find any more land. Patrol. Boat. It clearly says boat. Whee! Anyways, I'm gonna borrow one of their land boats. Please, tell me, is this a real thing? Is there a real military boat that can go on land and underwater all at the same time? Why? Why? Tell me, game, why are there boats on land? This map isn't much of a challenge, to be honest. I've never used a triple mortar. Hat. Pretty sure we're the ideal soldier right here. Just carrying a mortar in one hand. Enemy, quickly! Unleash the triple mortar. Freezing to go, Skip. I'm gonna use the sniper in midair. I definitely did that. What do I need for the bomber again? I know it's expensive. I somehow don't have enough. What do I want now? I want a bomber plane. My own personal bomber plane. Oh yeah, it's actually not a bomber plane because all the bombs actually come from cannons. Well, it shoots instead of drops. See? That's not very bomb-like, but... I wonder if that's a real thing. Tim Logan. Forgotten soldier. Anyways, I'm being shot, so I'm gonna cruise on out. I'm a corporal now. I've already been corporal, but... Let's see if we can fly into the house. Nope. Oh, there's 89 people. Well, I'm gonna abandon this and get out of a plane again. Take off immediately. Hello, tank that's stuck. Oh, more land boats, of course. Strafing run! Why did it spawn a plastic sweeper? It's literally a plastic sweeper. Give me a Huey. The only thing, now those boats only need jets so they can fly. How come we have Apaches but not fighter planes, only Mustangs? Oh, I'm down. They've got the soldier, this Army Man Cody's, which are like buff and strong. But they're nothing compared to our land boats. Hey, follow! I want my own personal squad. Get your own party poppers. Hey you, Assault Man, you're on my team now. Oh right, they can't run. Even our walking is faster than them. Give me another Assault Man. I want my own personal army. This looks like a good place to gather units. You, come with me. You come with me. You come with me. You come with me. You come with me, you come with me, you come with me, you come with me, and you come with me. I think we all see where this is going. You come with me. Give me a minute. You come with me. I just found an amazing discovery. If you sprint into somebody... Hey, you follow me. Okay, I think we're doing pretty good so far at getting me my own personal army. Yeah, I've got quite a few assaultmen. But to top it all off, a boat. Oh. Anyways, hey, you come with me. Okay, it's gonna take a minute, but soon all my forces are gonna come. Yep, these are all my boat. I could spawn the riflemen, which are cheaper, and I'd have more people, but they're so weak. Okay, we've got more things on the way. I think the main army's soon to show up. Yep, they're here. The music changed to something epic at just the right time. Hey you, join me. Map and hey, I want you guys to follow me. Oh, that just tells people to follow them. Boats, no! Follow me! Oh no, no. Yeah, they're gonna all come for me. Oh! It's convenient that tanks can float. This game's a little wonky sometimes. Like boats on land, tanks on water. So, anyways. I gotta do something. So many people. Just need to get... It's safe to say I've got a massive army following me. Okay. I gotta do something. Ooh. That is my boats. Oh, here they go. Go! Submarine. Well, I don't know where the rest of the tans are. So if I just get out of that boat, I can just scan the map. Because there's meant to be 3 tans left. As far as I can tell, there's none. Even the house is flooded. This might be a problem. Well, I think we've literally... There's no chance. No matter where I look. Hey, we did accomplish something. We made a massive amount of troops follow us. And we get to do this? Yay! Hello! Hey. I said get off the edge! Off of you! Ah! I'm gonna have way too much fun with this. And they gotta make their way back to me somehow? Ah! 105 cans. I really don't care because that's about how many people I have following me. Sadly, they're not here right now. Thankfully, I'm gonna get in my motorcycle and go try to find my people again. Yeah, but the motorcycles are amphibious. Yeah, the game really doesn't care whether it's made to be on the water or not. Uh-oh, the horde's coming for me again. See if we can make it up. Hear that engine run. Okay, up here. I'm trying to escape them. Get me a Jeep. Dang it. I keep going in the water. And every time I waste a vehicle, it's just gonna come for me. Oh, boat. Well, yeah, I think we're pretty strong. Let's see if they can get me up here. Aha! Wait, what? HQ under attack? Wait, are they motoring? Go, my butt. Oh, yeah. I need to assemble the army. I need to find what can transport a ton of troops. Besides me die. It's a half cargo truck. Your truck's more expensive. Okay, I need a half track. Just need some plastic, please. It's because I stole the people from the defense over there. Charge! Grenades! Dang, I just fell. The music that's playing right now is really reminding me of Deer Simulator. Go, go, go! Come on, everybody. We got this. If we work together, we can stop them. Even you, land boats. Wow. There's still people coming. That's a convoy if I've ever seen one. Alright, a trick I learned was that medics can heal your HP. Charge! Can't bazooka me. Everybody, charge! That should be about everybody. They can't stop us now. I am really confused about what is going on inside this game. It's clearly a boat on land. If we do this, we can win. Hello, Bazoo. Alright, I see. Judge has been ejected. I feel like there's so many units that spawn me in the water. There's no way they can beat this force. It is the unbeatable. Continue advancing. They cannot win. Pretty safe to say that we're gonna win this, but it's still gonna be fun to ride it out. Can you imagine running while carrying a mortar? A triple mortar. Oops. Boop. Bye. Hey, are you not following me? They're all on attack instead of following. Well, this has been a fun video, but I think it's about time to wrap it up. But the mortars in this game go up, and then they go to, like, they just go straight. There's literally nutritional fats. I wonder what happens if I were to scan that barcode. Look at that patty. It's humongous. Turns out the boats are quite fast on land. It's even faster when I pilot it. But it needs to have the AI to do their weird.
Roger that.
Thank you for getting the boat up here. I'll be taking that. Yep, that's good. Well, I'll be driving my land boat and see you later.